Welcome to our series, Course Building Basics. In this video, we will consider three important actions: building your modules, choosing your homepage, and cleaning up your course's menu. Canvas is flexible to accommodate the instructor's delivery style. However, it favors modular design, in which a course is built in smaller, discrete units. A module is an instructional package built around a concept, unit, week, or another segment of instruction to guide learning. In a modular course, the instruction is chunked up and sequenced through a series of self-contained modules, which have a consistent pattern. That way your students know what you expect and spend more time on learning rather than navigating the course. This chunked up modular structure makes a Canvas course transparent, clear, and adaptable to the needs of your students. Think of a module as an outline or to-do list for your students who must be able to demonstrate achievement at the end of a module. Thus, your module may include both instructional information and learning and assessment activities. A typical module may include an introduction to the module's objectives, its rationale and purpose, and context. Activities for students to discover, discuss, and share the concepts and additional information, which could include lecture notes, PowerPoint presentations, readings, and discussions. Opportunities to practice application, analysis, and synthesis of the new skills and information. Such opportunities could include practice exercises, labs, or case studies. Informal and formal assessment of student performance based on the module's objectives. And finally, the instructor's feedback on student learning and achievement. To add a module, you will click the Modules link in Course Navigation and click the Add a Module button. You will then name the module and have the opportunity to lock until a particular date and add prerequisites to this module. For instance, you can require a previous module be completed before this module will be seen. But you do have to have at least one module before you can require a prerequisite module. Now you can view the module you have created. A module can be edited or deleted by selecting the settings icon next to that module. The order of modules can be changed by either dragging and dropping with this drag handle or by clicking the settings icon and selecting Move To. Individual modules have course content items that are nested within each module. To add this content, you will choose the Add Item button, choose the type of content you wish to add, and either add new content by choosing New, or add existing content by choosing from the populated listing. Name your page, and choose if you would like it to be indented. As you add items to your module, use the naming conventions that make it easy to locate them. In this example, I've used chapters. That will make it easily searchable. You cannot create a module inside a module. Use text headers if you want to create a visual distinction between readings and assessments. When you're ready to publish an assignment, quiz, or other item for students to view, you will click on the Publish icon and a green check mark will appear. Your students now have access to this item. Student success in your course begins from the home page. Canvas has different options for helping your students get started, be informed of the course happenings, and stay organized as the semester develops. Canvas has several options for choosing the entry point to your course. They have different advantages. The course activity stream demonstrates important recent activities inside the course, such as announcements, discussions, and due dates. Pages front page features a customized page from your course which you designate to be the entry point. Course modules show a list of all modules inside the course. Similarly, assignment list enlists all graded activities inside the course. Lastly, syllabus allows customizing the top of the page and automatically creates a listing of all course assignments on the bottom part of the page. Syllabus is a great way to create an entry point. The upper part of the page can be simple. You can place a link to your syllabus file there. Or more developed, you can upload the course's logo and create several links that have important course information. If you opt for a more developed upper part of the page, please remember that text and images will push down a list of course assignments. This is not a good outcome, as Syllabus is designed to help your students have a quick overview of your course and keep on top of all activities. We do recommend that you use Syllabus as an entry point to your course. As you edit the syllabus description, you can upload and link the electronic copy of your course's syllabus. From your selector to the right, select Files and upload the appropriate file. Once you have placed it in your syllabus, don't forget to select Update Syllabus. A course-specific menu contains many options, and not all of them might be appropriate for your course. Once you've built your modules and set the home page, consider getting rid of all the extra clicks on the left side course-specific menu in order to minimize confusion and enhance the navigation of your course. Keep distraction at a minimum in your Canvas course. Your students should see the course-specific menu options that will allow them to quickly and easily navigate all course information. To maximize engagement, only leave the options that are relevant and promote an organized and consistent look and feel of your course. For example, as you add files to your modules, you will see that they can be accessed by your students via the Files option on your course's menu. You might prefer that your students do not have access to your Files area, as it organizes your files in a way that is different from your module organization. Another reason why you may prefer that your students do not have access to the Files area is to avoid confusing redundancy in which students can see the same file in two locations, in this area Files and Module Organization. In addition, as you add content pages to your modules, you will see all pages from all modules posted in the Pages option, which again creates redundancy and does not conform to the structure of your modules. Thus, you might opt to hide both files and pages from your course's menu. This can be accomplished by going to Settings and Navigation and dragging Files and Pages to the lower part of the screen to hide them from students. Then don't forget to hit Save. They will now appear to be grayed out. This means that the student will not see the option, but you can still get to it. You can use Student View mode to experience your course in the student capacity and decide on what makes sense to show in the course's menu and what does not. Once you are done using Student View, you can click on Leave Student View. Thank you for joining us for Course Building Basics. We appreciate you taking the time to learn about our new system.